The adoption of design thinking has been widespread across various industries and sectors. Organizations of all sizes, ranging from startups to large enterprises, have embraced design thinking as a valuable approach to innovation and problem-solving. It emphasizes a human-centered, iterative, and collaborative process for solving complex problems and generating innovative solutions. The key elements of design thinking include empathy, definition, ideation, prototyping, and testing. Let us understand each of these elements. Empathy: understand the needs, thoughts, and feelings of the end users or stakeholders. This involves conducting interviews, observations, and engaging in conversations to gain insights into their experiences. Define: clearly articulate the problem or challenge based on the insights gained during the empathy phase. This step involves synthesizing information to create a well-defined problem statement that guides the rest of the process. Ideation: generate a wide range of ideas to address the defined problem. Encourage creative thinking and brainstorming sessions to explore different perspectives and potential solutions. This step usually involves collaboration and open-mindedness. Prototyping: develop tangible representations of the selected idea. These could be low-fidelity prototypes, sketches, or even simple models that allow you to visualize and test the concepts quickly. Prototyping helps in getting early feedback and identifying potential issues. Testing: test the prototypes with real users or stakeholders to gather feedback and insights. This step is crucial for refining and improving your solutions based on real-world interactions and observations. Now, let us see how design thinking can be related to project management. User-centered approach: design thinking places a strong emphasis on understanding the needs of end users. By adopting a user-centered approach, project managers can ensure that the final deliverables meet the actual requirements and expectations of the people who will be using the end product or service. Innovation: the ideation phase encourages creative thinking and fosters innovation. Project managers can use this phase to explore new ideas and solutions, leading to innovative project outcomes. Iterative process: design thinking is iterative, allowing project managers to refine and improve their plans based on feedback and testing. This iterative nature is particularly beneficial in agile project environments where changes may be necessary. Collaboration: design thinking promotes collaboration and cross-functional teamwork. Project managers can use this approach to facilitate effective communication and collaboration among team members with diverse skills and perspectives. Risk mitigation: by testing and prototyping early in the process, design thinking helps identify and address potential issues and risks before they become major problems in later project stages. In conclusion, design thinking provides project managers with a structured and human-centric approach to problem-solving, fostering innovation, collaboration, and adaptability throughout the project lifecycle.
Thank you for watching the video. Please share your feedback in the comments section. If you liked the video and would like to see more on the concepts of project management, request you to please like and subscribe. We'll be back with much more interesting and improvised content soon.